Hello guys, I'm Crescent Philly. Welcome to an everyday makeup look tutorial. This is how I look before, and I'm starting off with my hair, spraying some water and then styling my edges using this Movit styling gel, and of course tying the hair down so that we can start off with this makeup.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it.
I'm going to use this Allison's rose water to clean my face, make sure that I don't have any dirt or oils.
Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. Yo, no.
To prime my face, I'm going to use this Black Opal primer.
I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business.
If you already have too much brows like mine, the only thing you need to do is just shape them and then define them using concealer or foundation. But if you don't have these too much, then you can fill in your brows lightly and then define them as I'm doing here.
Out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness.
Using foundation to define your eyebrows will make your work easier because it's very easy to blend. And of course, this is an everyday makeup look, so we want light makeup and very easy to blend.
Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
For my foundation, I'm going in with a liquid foundation.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate themselves in society, so I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen. Oh, the irony to hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity?
I don't know about you guys, but for me, I never use concealer for my everyday look because I want a light makeup. I want light makeup everyday look. Like, I don't want too much products on my face, so I rarely use concealers.
I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest to go-getters. Never stop, I'll get it if I want.
I'm using such a buttercup powder to set areas around the nose, under eyes, on the cheek and on the forehead.
Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. To my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in.
So far, this is what we look like. I feel like the look is coming along. I'm going to use this Miss Rose eyeshadow palette. It's giving everyday colors, everyday looks. It's not too shouting, they are not giving too much, they are just cute and perfect for everyday look, and they are also light. That's the same palette that you guys need for everyday look.
Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars, crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay.
I used to struggle very much doing my eyeliner. Like, eyeliner was the most hardest part I could do in my makeup game. And if you guys struggle with some parts, maybe it's eyebrows, maybe it's eyeliner, eyeshadow, whatever, please comment it down below, because I would love to see what you guys struggle with in your makeup game.
I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get home safe. I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make it.
Again, because we are not doing too much for my lips, I added this gloss.
Feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, heart full of calluses, but we know calculus.
And just like that, we have achieved our simple everyday makeup look, light makeup that we can wear to work, school, run errands. You know, as long as we are ready for the day, we are put together, we are ready for what the day has for us today.
Damn, ain't that fabulous? Can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough. I'm about to pop.
The most important thing, don't forget to set your makeup. I used Alison's rose water to set my face. I have tried it more than once, so it does the job perfectly.
Fuck you, you're lost. We all know that we never really want a boss. So I'ma do what I want.
Here I am rocking my natural twists, rocking my natural hair and my natural makeup. Is it natural? It's natural, right? Yes.
Do something I can't undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I want.
Did you enjoy this video? Would you love more of makeup tutorials from this channel? Then like this video, comment down below a yes, and then subscribe if you haven't, because I would love to have you here once again in the next video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye.